Hi everybody, it's your man Steve here with the latest scoop on InVideo AI. There is a link in the description where you can sign up for InVideo AI for free, but you can get so much more if you sign up for a paid plan. Stick around and I'll show you what you can do with the new tools available in version 3.0. This video editing software just got a major upgrade. We're talking game-changing features that make creating awesome videos easier than ever. Let's dive in. InVideo AI was already pretty cool, but now it's on another level. Think AI-powered tools that do the hard work for you. Text-to-video, AI talking heads, automatic video generation, it's all here. Get ready to step up your video game. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, these new features will blow your mind. Trust me, you don't want to miss this. First up, let's talk about InVideo's text-to-video feature. This is straight out of a sci-fi movie. You literally type in your text and InVideo transforms it into a video. It's that simple. How to use it? Easy peasy. Open InVideo AI, select the text-to-video option. Paste your text, choose a style. Boom, video's ready. This feature is perfect for creating quick social media posts, explainer videos, or even presentations. No more spending hours editing. InVideo does it all for you in seconds. Want to add a human touch to your videos without being on camera? InVideo's AI talking heads have got you covered. These are digital avatars that can speak your script. Choose from a diverse range of avatars. Customize their appearance to match your brand. Then simply type in your script and let the AI work its magic. The avatar will lip-sync to your words, making your videos more engaging. This is perfect for e-learning courses, explainer videos, or even YouTube videos if you're camera shy. No need to hire actors or spend hours recording yourself. Good audio is crucial for any video. InVideo AI's new audio features ensure your videos sound crisp and professional. Background noise? Gone. Muffled audio? Fixed. InVideo can automatically remove background noise from your videos, leaving you with crystal clear audio. It can also enhance the overall sound quality, making your videos sound like they were recorded in a professional studio. These features are super easy to use. Just upload your video, select the audio enhancement options, and let InVideo do the rest. With automatic video generation, InVideo does the heavy lifting. Short on time? No problem. InVideo AI can now generate entire videos for you automatically. Just provide some basic information, like your topic and preferred style, and InVideo will do the rest. It will automatically select relevant clips and images, add music, and even include transitions. You can then customize the video further if you want, but it's a great starting point. Video generation is where you really start to see a difference in the free versus paid plans. The free plan lets you try things out but is very limited. The Plus plan will really get you started. It includes 60 generative credits and 80 iStock clips a month for just $35 a month. That means that you can generate and download 60 seconds of AI-generated video and can stitch together 80 premium iStock video clips. My videos use between 20 and 40 iStock clips in a 10-minute video, so if you want to make more than 2 or 3 videos, then it's time to upgrade. For $60 a month, the max monthly membership will get you 320 iStock video clips that InVideo AI can stitch together. This is the plan that I use, and I can easily create 2 videos a week. You still only get the 60 seconds of AI generation though with this plan. If you're not looking to use stock footage but would rather have AI make something original, then the generative plan is the one you're looking for. This plan includes everything you get with the Max plan, but now includes a staggering 900 seconds of video generation for the low price of $120 a month. That's 15 times more than the Max plan for only twice the money. That's a heck of a value. This feature is a lifesaver for busy content creators who need to produce high-quality videos quickly. It's also perfect for creating social media content, marketing videos, and more. Next, we will look at InVideo's meme generator. Everybody loves a good meme. Now you can create your own viral memes in seconds with InVideo AI's new meme generator. Choose from a library of popular meme templates or upload your own images. Add text, stickers, and effects to customize your meme. Share it directly to your social media channels from InVideo. It's never been easier to join the meme game. Get creative, have some fun, and watch those likes roll in. InVideo's advanced editing features let you become an editing wizard. For those who like to have more control, InVideo AI also offers advanced editing features. These tools let you fine-tune every aspect of your videos. You can trim and cut clips, add transitions, adjust colors, and much more. InVideo also offers a library of stock footage, music, and sound effects to enhance your videos. These advanced features might seem daunting at first, but InVideo's intuitive interface makes it easy to learn the ropes. Easy Export gives you options for exporting, making sharing your videos super easy. Once you're happy with your video masterpiece, it's time to share it with the world. InVideo AI makes exporting and sharing your videos super simple. You can download your video in multiple resolutions and formats, including social media-friendly options. You can also directly share your video to platforms like YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram without leaving InVideo. It's never been easier to get your videos seen by a wider audience. Level up your video game. InVideo AI is the future. So, there you have it. InVideo AI's new features are a game changer for video creators of all levels. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, these tools make creating stunning videos easier and faster than ever. From text to video to AI talking heads, automatic video generation, and advanced editing tools, InVideo AI has everything you need to take your videos to the next level. So what are you waiting for? Click the link in the description to get started with InVideo AI and see for yourself. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and leave a comment if you want more info on InVideo AI.